How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. To start, open and locate your Google Play Store in your mobile device. Once you are now in your Google Play Store, use the search bar. And then, search the following letters, WAMR. In here, once you find the application, all you need to do is download it. Once done, you can now open WAMR as an application for your mobile device. Now I will show you what WAMR does for your mobile device. First is, it backs up all your chats. And then, it gets notified when someone deletes a message. This will notify you. And then, this will also recover media messages. So, from the likes of photos and videos. And that's it. Make sure you just download the software, then you're all set to go. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.